Hello, Adina here, day 5, heat capacity. Today we're going to be doing wax crayon art. Materials required are a canvas, or you can use cardboard, a glue stick, wax crayons, and a hairdryer, or you can use direct sunlight. So let's get started. The first step is to glue your crayons onto the canvas. Before you stick the crayon, remember to remove the wrapper. This is how you should put the crayons. Now I'm going to apply heat with the help of a hairdryer. The dark crayons are melting first. Oh, the darker colors are melting faster than the lighter colors. In this experiment, I noticed that black and darker colors melted faster with the heat of the hairdryer, but the beige and lighter colored crayons took longer to melt. Conclusion is that darker colors melt faster in heat than lighter colors. Hope you like my experiment. Thank you!